prayers that are more than 2-unit prayers. What we just performed was a 2-unit prayer. The 5 daily prayers you are required to pray have different numbers of units needed to pray. Only the Fajr prayer, from dawn to the moment right before sunrise, is a 2-unit prayer. As for Thur, Asr, and Isha, these prayers are 4-unit prayers, and Maghrib is a 3-unit prayer. For these 4 prayers, after completing the second prostration of your second unit of prayer, you place both your hands on your knees, with your back and head lined up straight. It's Sunnah to raise your right foot vertically with your toes pointing to the direction of the Qibla, Mecca. Your left leg will be underneath your thigh, with the weight of your body on your left thigh and buttock, so you'll be sitting on the left side of your body. And you say the same first half of the Tashahhud we spoke about earlier.
التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
All compliments, prayers, and beautiful expressions are for God. Peace be upon you, O Prophet, and Allah's mercy and blessings are on you. And peace be on us, and on the good, pious worshippers of Allah. I bear that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and that Muhammad is his slave and apostle. Then you would get up while saying Allah Akbar, God is greater, and perform your 3rd unit of prayer.